Hey guys, Jason Castle here, bassboatelectronics.com, your #1 source for electronics. If you own a bass boat and you have electronics, you need to shop with us and check with us first. Here's one good reason. We just took a load of carbon 16s, so HDS-16 carbons. These are awesome units. We've got it on display at our showroom, 1230 Topside Road in Knoxville, Tennessee. So if you're in East Tennessee, you need to come on down, see our full inventory, all the displays from every single brand, and check us out. But this is a really good deal we've got. We've got 3 different key deals with this one. We've got a boat-in-the-box bundle, so you got 2 16 carbons, a 3-in-1 transducer, and a brand new 25-foot Ethernet cable, all for $49.99. We've only got 10 of those left, so you guys need to check that out. We've also got an ActiveTarget bundle. I believe it's $38.99 for a 16. There's no better unit to run an ActiveTarget on the front of the boat than a 16-inch unit, and you can also buy the unit only for $23.99. Let me take you somewhere where we don't show many people. Come on. Alright guys, here we are in our back stock inventory room. So this is where we keep everything, to where if we get an order placed online, then we need to pull an accessory cable. So in our front showroom, obviously we've got basically 2 of everything set up out there. Back here is basically where we hold a lot of back inventory. So here's a bunch of 16 carbons that we got in. Tons of Garmin unit back stock to go with all the ones we have out in the front showroom. Live scopes. We've even got some fishing specialty poles. So we've got those full setups on our website. Mounts, a lot of specialty products. Mercury gateways, the list goes on and on. If you've got a bass boat, you've got electronics on it, we've got what you need. Humminbird wall, Garmin wall, Lowrance wall. It's not pretty, but it's not supposed to be. We just did inventory, so we got a little bit more organizing to do, but this is what makes the business work. So last thing, we do have an open house coming up. Go to our website, bassboatelectronics.com. Got a Garmin open house, seminars, food, high fives, fun for everybody. Sign up. You're also going to get some cool apparel. We're giving everybody that attends some hoodies, some hats, bunch of giveaways. I want you guys to make sure you plan to be there if you're in the East Tennessee area. All our information, contact. If you have any questions, let us know. We're built to serve. bassboatelectronics.com.